Hello there, kids. Today we are going to talk about speed. Okay. Before we deal about speed, you need to know two factors that would basically affect speed. One is distance, and of course, the other one is time. You need to learn about distance and time first, the relationship between the two, for you to be able to understand speed. Of course, you might already have the idea of what speed is, as you basically experience it every day as you wake up and start walking from one place to another. So, what do you mean by walking from one place to another? Walking from point A to point B is an example of distance. Okay? Other points that show distance, as long as it travels at certain points, no? Doesn't matter where you go. You started from a certain point, which is in this case is A, and ended in B. Traveled from point A again. B. Okay? So that is basically referring to what distance is. Okay? The total distance from one point to another. The number of units traveled from one point to another. Also, point A and B can be shared at the same point, exact point. That's basically going back to where you started. Okay, you might ask me, Teacher Mark, do you mean by what do you mean by distance? Should it be only in straight lines, vertical and horizontal lang? No. Pwede kayo mag-travel diagonally, of course. Kasi wala naman talagang specific path, no? You can go in circles from point A to point B. Okay, so that's what you basically mean by distance, how far you travel from point A to point B, walking from your bedroom to your comfort room, walking from your comfort room to your dining area, from your dining area to your living room. So, as much as walking from your house to somewhere else, your neighbor's house. Going, not hindi lang yan, not that's not just about walking. Pwedeng jogging, riding, running. Pwede riding a motorcycle, riding a plane, riding a boat. Whatever means of transportation, through foot ba or whatever, as long as you travel from one point to another, is basically already distance. Okay? Distance na yan. Now, what is the relationship of distance to time? This is for speed though, okay? Kasi ang main topic kasi talaga natin dito is ang speed. So, relationship of distance and time to speed. Time basically refers to how long yung pag-travel niya in terms of time. How long will it take? Okay, not how long as into like in terms of distance. In terms of time. What do you mean by time? May madami tayong unit for time. We have seconds, minutes, we have hours. Hours. What's hours? Hours. Meron days. Yes, it is possible. Merong weeks, months, years. Okay, pero sa normal measurement for speed, usually ang ginagamit lang talaga natin is seconds, minutes, and hours. Pinaka-common ang seconds and ang hours. Okay. Sa distance naman, we have certain units naman. What do you mean by how, sa time pala, what do you mean by how long in terms of time? For example, one of you you basically traveled from your bedroom to your comfort room. How much time did you make use of to walk from your bed to your comfort room? Aabutin ka siguro ng 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds. So, i-illustrate natin yan. Okay? Let's say you don't have a comfort room in your bedroom. So, from your bedroom, which is in this case, we can consider this as our point A. Actually, kahit anong point yan, pwede. Okay? From point A, from your bedroom, going to, let's say, of course, you don't need to go zigzag. Example lang naman to. To your bathroom, to your comfort room, which is, in this case, is our point B. Okay. Yung total, let's not complicate na lang pala. Straight line na lang muna gamitin ko para ma-show sa inyo yung distance. Okay. Let's say the distance that you have traveled in terms of meters. Okay? Let's say ang distance natin dito. Let's say yung distance that you walked just to go to your bed, to your bathroom is around 15 meters. Yan ang distance natin. Okay? Distance from your bedroom to your bathroom, 15 meters. Kasi baka up and down yung bahay nyo, pasigsag yung bahay nyo, malayo yung bahay. 15 meters is already medyo malaki. Okay? Malaki na yan siya. Malayo na yan. So, and then, another question, how long did it take you to travel from your bedroom to your bathroom? So, here comes time. Gaano ka kabilis nakarating from your bedroom to your bathroom? How long did it take you to walk from your bedroom to your bathroom? So, let's say yung time nyo, naglakad lang kayo. So, let's say it took you about siguro 5 seconds. Actually, hindi pala to lakad. Medyo mabilis-bilis na rin to. A little. Okay. It took you 5 seconds to walk or to brisk walk from your bedroom to your bathroom. Okay. So, and then from the distance from your bedroom to your bathroom is 15 meters. So, question, what was your speed? Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng speed? Speed refers to the time it basically takes you to walk in a certain distance, no? So for example, in this case nga, you have 15 meters of distance and it took you 5 seconds to walk 15 meters. So the formula for speed is distance over time. What do you mean by that? Okay, medyo baka isipin nyo, Teacher Mark, what are you trying to tell us? In basic mathematics, it means speed. To solve for speed, all you need to do is to get your distance and divide it by time. Okay? Ganun lang. Speed equals distance divided by time. Ang kailangan nyo lang ngayon dito is to get the value of the distance and the time for us to be able to get the speed. Distance ng ano and time ng ano. Okay, it depends. Like for example, in this case nga. So let us take the speed on how fast you were walking from your bedroom to your bathroom. Distance is 15 meters. You know that your distance is 15 meters here. And all you have to do now is just to divide it to time, which is in this case is 5 seconds. We can you make use of their shortcuts. We have 15 meters, M lang, divided by 15 seconds, S lang. Okay, and writing them in a formal way of writing the formula, that's 15 meters over 5 seconds. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. And since if you notice, no, para bang if you're going to break this down, This is basically 15 divided by 5 and meters divided by seconds. Okay? Parang ganyan lang yan. If we are going to separate them, I'm not going to include the relationship between the two, the operation involved. Basta dito lang ngayon for now, all you need to do is that's basically the same. So we can now say that after dividing 15 and 5, we were able to get 3. And for our units, they are still separated, in which if you're going to write m minutes over seconds, kasi wala nang unit yung sa baba kasi it was already taken by after dividing 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So we can now say that it's 3 minutes per second. Kasi since naging specific na tayo ngayon, wala nang S. Okay? Second na lang. Writing this in formal unit, that's 3m per second. Okay? So, ibig sabihin that for every second, for every 1 second of the time, so for example nga, may timeline tayo, okay? From point A to B. Ilan mo yung kanina? 15 meters, no? 15 meters. Let's take 3 seconds. Sorry. Per second pala, sorry. This is just to show you. For every 1 second, you are covering a total of 3 meters. So that's how fast you were walking earlier. Kasi ang sabi nga, from your bedroom to your bathroom, the distance is 15 meters. Then it took you 5 seconds to walk from your bedroom to your bathroom. What was your speed? Your speed is 3 meters per second. And anong ibig sabihin ng 3 meters per second? That for every second, you travel 3 meters. Which means if you walk for a total of 2 seconds, you are already at 3 plus 3, which is 6 meters. And if you travel for 3 seconds from point A to point B, we now say that you travel the total distance of 9 meters. Okay? So, yan ang ibig sabihin ng speed. Basically, the relationship between distance and time. Okay? So, yan muna yung basic information natin ngayon. For now, yan muna yung topic natin. Next, after this one, I'm gonna give you examples for our next meeting. And then, something to answer. And we are also going to discuss about distance versus displacement. This is actually a grade 7 lesson, pero I'm just gonna include this just to be fair for everyone. Kasi tinuruan ko rin to ang mga previous grade levels regarding these two. Okay, physics na to, basic physics. But anyway, ito na, kahit ang speed, actually basic physics yan. It's just that this is very basic than basic. Okay, so again, to get the speed is basically to get the distance divided by time. And from there, you'll be able to get your answer for speed. Okay? Marami pa yan. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan regarding speed. Kasi there are times na speed ang given and then yung time naman ang missing. And there will be also a time that the distance is also missing. So which means you are going to solve for the speed. You're also going to solve for the distance. You're also going to solve for the time. Okay, but for now, ito muna. Basic lang muna. As long as you know the distance and the time, you'll be able to solve for speed by just simply dividing them and taking their units. Okay, so that's basically it.